Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Find the absolute maximum of a function on a closed interval quickly with these steps. Let's solve this calculus problem together. First, we find the critical points by setting the derivative 4x minus 8 equal to 0. Solving this simple equation gives us x equals 2, which is our only critical point. Next, we must test the function values at the endpoints 0 and 3 plus our critical point 2. Since the derivative is negative then positive, x equals 2 is a minimum. Since the function decreases then increases, the maximum is at an endpoint. Comparing 0 and 3, 0 yields the highest value. Option 8 is correct. Well done! Option A is right. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the process and check steps.